fully alert state. I'm going to wake you in a few moments' time. You're going to hear me count up from 1 to 10, and you'll slowly awaken with each number. And at the count of 8, you'll open your eyes, and by the count of 10, you'll be fully wide awake and fully engaged with your surroundings. You'll wake up feeling fine, with a feeling of well-being all over, a feeling of well-being with every normal, healthy and appropriate part of you being back here with me in the present, and all healthy, normal and appropriate sensations returning to all parts of your body, especially your eyes. You'll feel your feet touching the floor, your back against the chair, and you'll be fully wide awake at the count of 10. You'll feel fine, refreshed, feeling better and more optimistic than you felt in a long, long time. So as I count from 1 to 10, so you become more aware and more awake with each number. And at the count of 8, you'll open your eyes, and at the count of 10, you're going to be fully alert and fully engaged with your surroundings. So ready. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more aware, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes. 9, 10, fully aware, fully alert, fully wide awake.
More happy again.
That's good. That's what we want.
Like waking up with a big smile.
That's what we want.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be great.
All right.
I want to keep all those things in my head. That would be really, really good.
Good. Good.
Thank you.
So it was an enjoyable experience.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's more of a longer journey in the thought process, that one, I think, isn't it? Because you're talking through all these positive things, and you can just start to imagine, like, next week is going to be so cool.
Great, good.
Everything's going to be really good and positive, and I'm going to get better every day.
Okay.
So thank you.
No, you're very welcome.
Yeah.
Good.